Welcome to Manus AI full tutorial. I'm gonna show you what you can do with Manus AI new update, writing SEO optimized articles, and also navigate through a bunch of websites, getting the information, creating a cold DMs, and also many other use cases. So this is a 1 hour tutorial, and I hope you find this video useful. So sit back, relax, hit the like button, comment, and if you want invitation code, the link will be in description, or you can DM me or email me. I'm just gonna personally help you out getting inside Manus AI. Welcome to Manus AI SEO tutorial. We're gonna build a complete SEO optimized blog articles using Manus AI. This is gonna be a complete full tutorial on how to do everything. Okay, so Manus is new AI in the LLM world. Okay, where you can it has a browser access. You can do a lot of, you can see all the use cases mentioned right here, and they even categorize feature, life, research, education, data analysis, productivity, content creator, IT and development. So I'm just gonna go with the recommended and show you a couple of things before we test it out. And keep in mind, there's also one interesting features, which is if I go to my click on this knowledge, and here you can see knowledge enables. Now what this knowledge means, right? So Manus AI has an option. Knowledge enables Manus to learn your preferences and task specific best practices. Manus will automatically recall relevant knowledge when needed, suppose up to 20 entries. So if you click on knowledge and give it a name, so let's just say SEO writer, so Manus will use this knowledge when I am writing, when I want Manus to write SEO blog articles. Okay, and then the content of knowledge will be first person conversational friendly content, real life use case studies, okay, and real life examples, and the workflow is simple. Don't use complicated words. Write like you are speaking or chatting with someone yeah, that's that. And I can simply click on save, and it's gonna be saved as SEO writer. And whenever I want to write SEO optimized blog articles, it's gonna remember even without me specifying. So I can say, hey, write a blog or SEO blog articles on this topic on life science. So it's gonna write a complete SEO topic. Okay, I'm just gonna show you. Now keep in mind, it's gonna offer you a credits. The first daily credits are 300 for free version. If you want to upgrade, you can go, but lifetime credits are 1000 for free users. And if I click here to upgrade, it's going to ask you this is the price. Okay, so if you want, you can upgrade. And then we have the data controls, we can manage all the deployed websites. So if I click on manage, I can see all the deployed website right here. Yes, Manus just acts like a local machine on internet, like where you can get a URLs from Manus itself, right? So you can deploy websites, like if you're familiar with Netlify, so that's what the same thing the Manus does. And then I can also share Manus with my friends. So if you want, the link will be in the description, my invitation code, or you can DM me or email me. I'm just gonna give you an invitation code to get into Manus. So with that being said, I have this. Okay, so we have this prompt area, we have this create section where I can create a website, go and create a website. So I'm just gonna close this and analyze, where I can analyze, it becomes a data analysis. And then we have the research, it's just like a ChatGPT deep processing. And then we have the code if I want to work on some developing tools or plugins or whatever it is, something to do with the products or software. So I'm just gonna go here, and we have this two reasoning effort model, which is one is a standard one, high effort one. So standard one is standard mode provides an optimal balance between quality speed suitable for various tasks. So this is like a low effort, like it doesn't think, it's just gonna spit out the content. High effort, which is a high effort mode, employs a longer chain of thought. Like it's like advanced reasoning, like ChatGPT O3 models. Okay, now in order to get this, you need to get into the subscription plan. So just go with the standard models. And here what I'm gonna do is I'm going to ask Manus to write. So let me just test it out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, so we have this hostinger, right? So you want to get the domain. So hostinger is what I prefer to host my websites and also get domains. Now when you go to my link, you'll get a domain for free. You want to simply climb deal and choose your plan. And once you click on choose plan, here you need to simply select how many months you want and then enter the coupon code Make Money Raj to get an additional 10% discount, and then you can continue buying your domain. And with that being said, if you want to design, if you want to learn more blogging and SEO course, I have made a 7-hour free course. When you go to my YouTube channel and go to the homepage, you can see full course on SEO blogging, SEO article writing. You can watch this, and I'll show you how to even humanize SEO articles using ChatGPT and other AI models. Okay, so you can watch that. And if you want to learn more about LLM models and AI SEO article writing, I have made a bunch of whole videos, right? You can see using Grok AI, humanizing AI articles in one prompt, and then one prompt humanizing with a Gemini 2.5 Pro, and how to humanize AI content using new Perplexity AI. And I even compared the articles, AI influence, reducing it to completely zero. I mean, you can never reduce it to zero, but yeah, I have completely taken or reduced a large amount of AI influence in my SEO articles using simple prompts, using free version. Now that's the same thing I'm gonna do with the Manus. I'm just gonna show you. So first thing first, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to ask it, so create a website, okay, based on, so I just bought my domain, create a website for domain Make Money Raj, or I'm just gonna go with create a website for my domain, which is querylookup.com, where I offer SEO services for my clients. And I have hosted, so let me just remove this and give a prompt. My main target area of expertise, my main target area gonna be is USA states and counties. So make sure to create or make sure to have a proper internal linking to optimize it for SEO ranking on Google. Okay, so this is it. And additionally write a SEO blog article on offering SEO services. So I'm just gonna list my services: SEO, link building, backlinks, organic traffic, services to people or business who are looking for. Now this is going to be the prompt, and so let me just go ahead, let me just give a research, and let's go ahead and hit enter, and this is gonna do the job. So while it does the job, I want to ask you something, guys. So if you really want to monetize your blog, so what you can do is, if you want to really monetize your blog, there's a link right here, which is an AI SEO course. If you go here, it's going to open up a community where you will learn how to monetize your blog. So I just made a course, monetize your blog using spine niche method, and here you will find all the contents, my video tutorials, where you can completely learn how to monetize any blog, any niche, any blog. Okay, so with that being said, let's go back So it went on, okay, I can help you create a website for SEO services, business targeting US, complete with optimized internal linking with a blog article. I'll start by planning the structure and content for both website and article. So knowledge recall. Now you can see, I never mentioned to use any knowledge or become an SEO writer. I just automatically fetch the knowledge. So since I have, where is it? Yeah, since I have wrote this SEO blog article, okay. So because if I go here and click on knowledge, and you can see the name is SEO writer, right? And then, so we even have this option. I can enable it or disable it or make some, changes. I can also add knowledge base up to 20. So it's a really cool. So this Manus went on recalling knowledge, which is really great. Plan website structure and SEO strategy. Okay, executing command. Planning website structure and SEO strategy. It's really good. Creating the starter website using React framework. Alright, this is interesting. Now I could have gone and asked I could have gone and asked to create in a HTML, but let's just do the job. Now it's still thinking. I have set up the React project for your querylookup.com website, create a comprehensive website plan. Now write SEO blog article focusing on your services. Make sure it's conversational friendly and include real life examples as requested. Okay. Now working, it is writing an SEO article. Okay. Now it has, step by step. You can also see the task progress right here. So integrate internal linking and blog article into the website. Validate the website blog article for SEO optimization report and send the completed website and article to the user. Alright, so that's great. Use Manus computer. Now I can also use the Manus computer. We have this VS Code or browser. So after generating all this, I'm just gonna use a browser, and also we're gonna look at how good the SEO article written by Manus AI is when it compares to Quillbot. Like I'm just gonna. So if I go here and type in Quillbot, okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, Quillbot. Go here and go to the AI detector. So here what we're gonna do is we're gonna input some text and compare the AI influence and every single thing. Okay, so when it by the time it finishes execution, I'm gonna show you some real case studies. So we have this Twitter user used Manus AI to audit web app and get actionable SEO fixes, then pass them straight into the cursor to implement. The combo is great. So let's just see the quick demo right here. So what he has done, so let me just make this quality a little more. Okay, so we have got this. So this guy tried to improve SEO for Try Knowledge Vault's site. So here's the domain and suggest how SEO can be improved on this site. Suggest practical actions that I can also pass on to another AI agent for it to do the actions, can propose code, etc. Now what this guy is asking is, he have a domain and he's asking what can is there any suggestions in terms of SEO, with a SEO perspective you can, like Manus can give, and also suggestions to pass on to another AI agent. So let's just say I think he's building on CMS. He's not using CMS, or he's building on Cursor, as he spoke in a tweet post. So if you're building your website in VS Code or Cursor AI or Bold, so we have a lot of AI wipe coder tools. So if you're using one of them, then you can literally ask Manus AI agent to give prompts, or not only Manus AI agent, ChatGPT can also do it. I've done a lot of times, but yeah, he's asking suggestion, and it went on, as accessing. So the great thing about this Manus AI is it directly access the agent, web agent, browsing, and then scrolling down. You can see all the functionalities right here. Scrolls down, and what else? Complete SEO action. Okay, it spit out comprehensive SEO audit and action plan for the domain. So it went on creating a report with a proper structure. So alright, okay. So let me just, okay. So first it went on browsing the the domain website, and then scrolling down you can see analyze website current SEO state by examining the structure, content, metadata. So it is analyzing page UI experience. That's really great. And then it went on scrolling down, continue to analyze the website SEO elements by examining more content sections and technical aspects. Okay, is it on page SEO? Continue to analyze website SEO elements by examining the remaining content technical aspect. Okay, so it has a readable function, and then identify key SEO issues, opportunities, handling browser issue, identifying key SEO issues and opportunities based on website analysis. Okay, and then practical SEO recommendation. It went on creating a proper report .md files. All right, that's cool. Okay, it really gave out some good reports. So let me just read that. An analysis. This report includes the analysis of potential SEO issues and opportunities, practical actionable recommendations faced for implementation, specific implementation details, and code examples, HTML, JSON, that can be used by a developer or another AI agent with access to site's code. So this is really great. This is really great. Well done, Manus AI. And I think for writing an article, I'm just gonna be using Claude. But in order to optimize, after seeing this, in order to optimize my site, whenever it can be sitemap, it can be schema database, it can be anything in terms of code. I'm just gonna use this Manus AI guy. I'm really impressed. So let me just go back. All right. So what else we have? AI super agent destroys Manus engine Spark. Okay. So private local Manus alternative. We haven't even got the alternative to Manus. This is worth checking. It's a local alternative to Manus AI. It can autonomously browse the web, write code, and plan tasks. Okay. So, alright, so here's we have another user trying out some new things, which is we have got a 10 case studies. So creating interactive website based on data insights. Okay, now let's see what it is. So he's just given a prompt, which is create an interactive website to showcase the findings based on this data. And I think he uploaded some file. It went on, I'll create an interactive website to showcase the correlation analysis finding for NVIDIA stock prices. Okay. Alright, so let's just see what it is. Alright. Alright. Guys, if you're familiar with Firebase.studio.ai, Firebase AI, I think this is the same thing, similar to Manus AI. It pulls up the local, cloud virtual computer. It's always runs on some kind of Ubuntu. I just missed the website which I saw right here, so let me just increase the quality. Alright, we have got this beautiful website showcasing all the data inside. So it drew a good heat map. I don't know what this what this means, but by looking at this, the simplicity it has made the website is really good. I can see the good navigation right here, and then we have divisions, good divisions right here. It's not like ChatGPT and other AI tools which overdo the things. I think Manus AI are really trying on some good data when it comes to generating websites. And then we have this interactive gaming. Okay, so let me just increase the quality. Alright, So what's the prompt? The reason here exchange between okay, I cannot discuss this topic, but anyway, I'm just gonna continue forward. Role play simulation has some kind of polit. Now this is not relevant for me to discuss. So we have got travel plan with maps. So let's just check it out. 7-day Japan itinerary with proposal ideas. Oh my god, is it browsing the website? Is it browsing the website? Okay, that's cool. That's literally cool. So the prompt was simple. I need a 7-day Japan itinerary plan with a budget for my fiance and me. We love historical. Now he just described to create a vacation plan in a certain place with a budget. Now it went on. Guys, take a look at the right side. Take a look at this right side. It went on, researching, navigating in the websites. Even Reddit. One point of time, I can see the Reddit. Okay. This is so cool. This is so cool. Thinking plan. It went on multiple websites, not only relying on few sources, but it went on relying on multiple sources and created an entire plan. Now think about what you can do when it comes to creating digital products. Then we have website SEO optimization, which we are doing currently right now. So I hope the results are generated. So let's just look at the last thing. So we have got this SEO audit and optimization report for Andrew Karpathy. So yeah, he's a famous machine learning web developer or AI developer. He speaks on AI. I know this guy. Yeah, that's the same guy. He speaks a lot about AI tools and machine learning. I think he was working on Meta AI or OpenAI. I don't know. But yeah, I used to follow him. Then my Twitter got taken down for some reason, and I should follow now. So we have got some website checks running on a domain, and then creating a report. Alright, so this comes really handy when you want to send. See, earlier it used to take 1 to 2 days to get a freelancer or intern to get your client's SEO audit or go through an entire website, check all the things. It used to take 1 or 2 days or maybe 24 hours or 1 day to deliver a report to your clients. So now in a matter of minutes, in a matter of seconds, not even minutes. I think it took less than 1 minute or 2. I don't even really care if it takes 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It's gonna get things done in less than an hour. Now imagine sending clients a beautiful report just like this. You can also do one thing. You can also ask Manus AI to take all the reports which you create, put in a website URL so that I can send it to a client and it can describe. And you can also guys, there's so much diverse ideas I'm getting right now. Oh my god, I have clients, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Manus AI to create an interactive dashboard. How we can iterate like the timeline of the things if we can do, like what's the SEO performance is going to be, make it interactive dashboard so that client can interact, all those things. Okay, so a lot of opportunities and ideas. So I think this is what Sam Altman means that there's gonna be a lot of opportunities created with AI. Not only it's gonna take jobs. We have the stock analysis. Okay, I don't know why this always plays in a low quality. So comprehensive test for stock analysis and investment insights. Alright, now this is gonna be a game changer for a lot of stock traders. Can it predict? I'm curious, like if it predicts like it's gonna be a lot of people are gonna make a bunch of money using this AI and stock analysis method prompts. I think people are doing right now. It all depends on training data. Like if you're trying a good thing, trying good data. Like these LLM models and agents are always data backed. Okay, if the data is good, that the data they trained on is good, then they're gonna spit out the data very well. Candidate interview schedule. What is this? Interview schedule creation for April 13 and 14. Here's a survey for available interview times from 13 to 15. Please create an interview schedule for me with 2 interview sessions each day, 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon. The number of candidates in each should be evenly distributed as possible. And this is like a basic math thing. I don't think it's so really complicated. This can be done by many other AI tools out there. So just given this is like a basic information. It's not that that rocket science. So when we have this what is it? Best price for rubber markets. Now this is like a research. Now if you saw a seconds ago, it like something around here, it showed me Manus AI some issue while performing the action. No need to worry, it will handle the errors on its own. Now guys, come on, which AI does this? Okay, we have got an website, or is going to be a report. Rubber mats price comparison dashboard. Okay, he just asked for dashboard. Is that what the prompt is? Let me look at it. I need to find best price on rubber mats. No, this is not the output he asked for. I mean, it created dashboard, but he never mentioned the dashboard right here. So then we got bunch of things: online store operation analysis, screening on dump of resumes, podcast editing. Okay, so this is interesting. Let me just go back. So they have gave a WAV file. This is an audio file. If you know this extension, please cut the podcast audio into a 2-minute highlight reel for keynotes. Select complete sentences with clear viewpoints on interesting content, ensuring smooth transitions. Oh my god, it even doing this thing. Editing a podcast audio. I'm just curious. I'm just gonna skip the entire video and watch. Wow, it created a script and it gave an audio file, and also we have got the captions right here. DeepSeek All1 podcast. Okay, maybe they talked about DeepSeek All1. Alright, now this is interesting. Let's just look at our data. Okay, so we have got the complete I have completed your querylookup.com website with the SEO optimization and the blog article. Here's what I have created: a complete React based website for querylookup.com with a homepage showcasing the SEO services, service page with a detailed descriptions, blog section with your SEO articles, location pages targeting US. Preview is notable for this format. Please download the files to view its content. Alright, I'm just gonna download this and run it in a VS Code. A SEO optimized blog article on Boost Your Business. Okay, we have got the comprehensive SEO implementation including meta tag, schema markup, internal linking strategy, location page, US state counties, and mobile responsive. All files are included in the attached zip file to run a website locally. Extract zip file, navigate to the website directory, run npm install pmp install run npm run dev pmp run dev. If you like to deploy this website to your domain, you'll need to build first npm run build, then upload the contents to build directory to host your create a website. Share Manus creation as an interactive website. Okay, create a website. Now let's just see how it does. Now it asks me to deploy on Manus itself. So let's just wait. Report and send the complete website article to the user. Okay, got it. Let's just wait how cool this website. I'm just very curious. Build and deploy, building. So let me just look at. Now if I want to access all the domains, so I'm just going to go to my profile and click on settings, and here I'm just going to go to the data controls, and here I can see the deploy website. So right now it's none, and let me just wait it to deploy permanently so I can show you how it looks. Alright, we have just got the website. Manus is attempting to deploy the service located at URL to the public network. Please confirm if you agree by clicking. Let me just go here, go to the top. Allow Manus to deploy the website publicly. Yeah, allow this task. Now it is even asking the user, Manus is asking itself a permission. Manus. Now we are in an inception, guys. Yeah, inception. Great news, your query lookup service has been successfully built and permanently deployed and website live. So if I go to this URL, okay, surprise me. Alright, boost your website online visibility with expert SEO services, and then we have this free consultation, expert services. Click on expert services, so nothing there. Get a free consultation, nothing there, so I'll have to link it. And then we have services right here. Click on learn more. No, nothing there. I mean, it's funny that it's showing me, sending me to URL services / link building. Then go back SEO services across USA. California, New York, Texas. So view all locations. No. So go to the services. No, not their locations. Okay, blog. No. Internal linking. About section. No. So all the menu pages, it's not done yet. So let's from a blog. So we have this read full article. So we haven't got the article yet. This called proper SEO strategy building can transform your business. Okay, we haven't got, but the website looks clean. So is it responsive? So let me just inspect this. Alright, it's a responsive, mobile responsive. It's good. That's good. Okay, never mind. So it has completed SEO optimized website with a responsive design. All pages, home services, blog, location, contact. The SEO blog article integrated into blog section, strong internal linking structure targeting US states, counties, meta tags, schema markup. Now it is not done yet. It is not done yet. As you can see, the pages are incomplete. It's only generated on 3 locations, but not on even the counties. So I will go here and nothing there. No internal linking, no external linking, nothing done. Just a plain simple website, but I can go ahead use my all credits. Okay, I'm sorry. So I can go ahead and use my all credits and iterate one by one, solving all those issues, right? The website is now permanently hosted. Okay, so if I go here and if I go to the settings and if I go to the data controls and manage developers, I can visit, locate in tasks, set to private, publish to community, change the domain. You can do that. Can I delete this? I don't think so. But yeah, so we have created a beautiful landing page. I mean, it's just a simple landing page. It's not that even deep. So let me just see how many credits I have. So we are left with 0 credits. Okay, alright, got it. I thought I wanted to see the SEO article writing. Now write an SEO optimized article for this. So I just gave a prompt. Now write an SEO optimized article for this and give it to me in a custom HTML code so that I can go here and post inside my WordPress and see. And also I want to test how much AI influence it has inside his SEO optimized article. So let me just go back, plan the topic and outline for new SEO article, planning new SEO topic, custom HTML. Okay, alright. So keep in mind, I didn't give any keyword right here. I'm assuming it's gonna take into consideration whatever the website we have created, and the article is gonna be based on that. So writing SEO optimized article content, editing file, query lookup SEO article /md. Alright, so let's just wait. Now I want to compare with ChatGPT too. So let me just go ahead and give this to ChatGPT, and I'll make it deep research. Think for longer. Okay. Alright, so let's just see what it comes up with. I'm very curious. So just like that, we have got so many of code snippets right here. So what is it doing? Is it giving me code snippets? Below is a proposed site architecture optimized for targeting US states and counties. Each page includes a proper meta tags. QueryLookup.com. Okay, it went on creating an outline for me, like a template. You can replicate the state template for each of the 50 states and the relevant counties. So we have got this top hierarchy, which is a homepage index, about services, index, SEO service, link building, backlink development, organic traffic, local SEO, and then we have blog content. Homepage is gonna be this. So let me just copy this. Homepage is gonna copy this. Key SEO elements, title. Okay, it is even recommending me what to do. So let me just go back to the post, and here custom HTML / custom HTML paste preview. So this is like a basic thing. No, I think nothing fancy about this. It's just a skeleton. Let me just go to back ChatGPT SEO overviews. So let me just copy this and paste, hit here, click on preview. Now basic HTML, state template. But if I look at it, core offerings, so these are like offerings. So let me just edit this and preview. So we have got this counties and state template. So example, we have got this California SEO services and available county level SEO packages. We have Los Angeles, San Diego, San Francisco. Why choose query lookup for California SEO? Okay, this is like a bot. Now this is not a humanized content. So anyway, sample county page. Okay, let me just copy this and paste it right here and click on preview. So we have got Los Angeles County SEO services. We have it has it went on mentioning what we can do further to outrank competitors. Keyword research on page SEO. Keyword research on page optimization, local citations and listings, backlink outreach and content strategy. Ready to rank. Okay, it's just a CTA. Now, not that interesting, not that fancy. Blog overview. Here I've got this blog overview, SEO blog article. Alright, so this is what I needed. So copy this and edit HTML, paste, preview. Alright, so why SEO matters. So let me just copy this content and paste it inside Quillbot. Copy, come here, Quillbot, detect AI, 100% AI. So let's just read, why is it? In today's competitive digital landscape, simply having a website isn't enough to outrank your competitors, whether you operate in Los Angeles. You need a robust SEO strategy, Okay, so this is a general, it is not even helpful, it is a general content. So this is what not thing I was looking for. And additional tips for on-site SEO on internal linking, sitemap and robots.txt, breadcrumb schema. Alright. Implement breadcrumb list schema and for each state county page example. Nice. Footer hub links. In your footer, include a mini sitemap showing cluster links. Okay. So this is very like the details it is giving me very much too good, but the way it generated a basic HTML skeleton template is not that good, not that responsive, not that UI friendly. Mobile first responsive design, speed page is critical. Schema mockup for service offerings, use service schema. What is it? Okay, schema.org. On premise services to help Google understand your service offerings, example snippet. So we have got the snippet 2, summary, and yep, this is really good, but except the designing part. So let's just look at the Manus, what it did. Okay, it went on planning the topic and outline for the new SEO article, write the content for SEO optimized article, convert the article content into custom HTML code. I have created a comprehensive SEO optimized article in a custom HTML format titled Ultimate Guide to Local SEO After Dominant Search Rankings in Your City and State. We have got this SEO optimization using semantic proper heading hierarchy, mobile responsive, content highlights, call to actions, tool recommendations, service current trends for 2025. Now it's really interesting to pull the year, right? So none of the LLM models did except this Manus AI and Claude. So really interesting to notice the updated real time visual enhancements, statistics and highlights. Okay, view all files in desk. The HTML file is attached for your convenience. Okay, just gonna click on view. So let me just make it full screen. Can I make it full screen? Yeah, by query lookup team, ultimate guide to local. Okay, do we have an internal linking? I guess not. Guys, it's really funny though. If you look at the article generated by ChatGPT in today's competitive digital landscape and the Manus AI in today's digital landscape showing up a local search, I don't think this is human content, even though I explicitly said Manus AI to follow. Even though I explicitly said Manus AI to follow my requirements, we have got 100% of the text is AI likely. That's bad. But never mind, we're just gonna go through headings. So we have got the nice representation right here. I think we can still make it human eyes. It is not that difficult. Key components of successful local SEO strategy: GMB optimization, local keyword research, on-page local SEO elements. Okay, it spit out some nice step-by-step guides, DIY guides, on-page SEO, local optimization, local content creation, citation building, which is really important. It should be the number one thing. Review management, local link building, step-by-step guide to optimizing your local search. Okay, conduct a local SEO audit, optimize GMP, implement on-page, build and clean up citations. It's even recommending the MOZ, develop a review generation strategy. And then we have tools. Okay, we have got the external linking, citations. Okay, that's good. Review management platform, case studies, that's good. Local SEO trends 2025. It pulled up the real-time information. Conclusion, we have got a nice little conclusion, and then we have got a nice little call to action. That's really nice. Want to learn more about local SEO services or our approach to link building? Explore our service page. or check out more articles on our blog. Query lookup. So we even got this footer link. I mean, it's really impressive other than, making human eyes, and you know what I mean, right? Again, if you want to monetize, just like this, if you want to monetize your blog fast, then join Blog Profit. Also, if you want to learn blogging by simply not joining, you can just watch this 7-hour full tutorial. If you want to fast the pace, you can just join the Blog Profit. I mean, it's really great to get all this content. I think it's more than 3,000 words. It will be more than 4,000 words, I guess. So let me just go back, minimize. Can I view within a HTML? Yep. Copy and HTML replace. Let me just go to the rank math and see the number of words is 2,422 words. Just gonna type in SEO. Let me just preview this new tab, and there you go. Nice little, we got a nice little blog article generated from Manus AI. Alright, I want to give a good prompt right here. I want to show you something, guys, actually. Because I want to show you something, which is, this guy, right? So he just gave a prompt to create a plan for B2B AI consulting outreach campaign, and it spilled out a lot of details right here. You can see the target companies. It went on creating, like, think about this. If you were running a agency or digital marketing company, and if you want to now this is a really good, oh my god, where did it go?
Shall we start right now? Yeah.
Let me just remove the audio. And so what he did was, he just gave in a notepad, which is a task is, as an autonomous AI agent, I need to research, identify, create comprehensive personalized outreach campaign targeting the ideal small to medium businesses for AI consulting implementation services. This campaign will include identify decision makers and creating a personalized outreach content, developing interactive landing pages. Now I can do the similar thing. You know what? Please make a list of business website up to 50 whom they require SEO services, or looking for SEO services online. Or you can also do your research, go to websites. Okay, I'm just gonna give here, go to interior design website which are not properly ranking on Google or not have good SEO website optimization, and pull the data or email, get the email of get their emails. I'm just gonna be more specific, get their emails to contact them and create a individual business tailored cold script email or DM to pitch them my SEO services for them. That's it. So I hope, okay, I think it does a great job, but let's hope it doesn't break. connecting to the data sources. What is happening right here? Searching Twitter. So it went on, I think the Twitter, okay. So it went on, so since I gave people who are looking for, so I think it's very convenient to go into the Twitter or any social media, like people post, right? Like looking for SQL services. I think it would be better if it goes to social media and searches people who are searching for, who are business owners searching for SEO services and all. I'll create a list of potential business targets for your SEO service focusing on internet business with optimal SEO on craft personalized cold outreach emails for them. A research website that could benefit from your SEO expertise, provide you with their contact information along with the tailored pitches. So that's what I need. Come on. Research and list up to 50 businesses needing SEO services. So we have got, okay, searching for interior design web business, poor SEO. Now it has a 6 tasks progress. The first thing is research and list up to 50 business needing SEO services, gather information, collect email addresses for business, analyze websites, SEO opportunities and personalization, create individual tailored cold emails or DMs for outreach, validate the list on emails for accuracy and quality, report and send the business related cold emails to the user. I don't want, oh my god, does it send emails by itself? I don't think so. I just want the list. So let it finish, and in the meanwhile, let's just look at more use case studies. Okay, this guy has done a great job. Now this is the Manus AI. Now imagine if any of the people, any of the insane person get this Manus AI Pro, and all they do is, you can doom scroll a lot from this fully framed Manus alternative with the UI. Now I don't want to look. So what is happening right here? So let me just take a look at this. Now we have seen this. Okay, Manus makes me $1 billion bonus plan. So one of the Twitter users said, from SEO to influencer outreach, here's my review of what these AI agents can and can't do. While the GAIA benchmark does AI agents in controlled environments are wanted to real stories or? Okay. Case 1. NBA Analytics Dashboard. Build interactive site, generated synthetic data when needed, didn't mention the fake data until questioned, trust but verify AI outputs. So we have got this nice little analytics. NBA team performance 5-year window average. So it's very easy to compare the sportsmanship. Like if you want to compare the player performance like individually. Case 2, SEO optimization. Okay, couldn't even crawl the site. Okay, I think now it does. Fashion influencer outreach. Fell for SEO bait articles, drafted emails to non-existent, scratch LinkedIn instead of Instagram. Because Instagram, I think the reason it searched LinkedIn instead of Instagram is, I think, Manus AI. All the LLM models are really optimized for factual and a good high authority sources, which is one of the high authority domains is LinkedIn and also Twitter. So case 4, we have networking sessions. 80% unreachable VIPs, generic outreach templates, miss local connections. AI doesn't understand social dynamics, not yet, but in future, I hope so. Case 5, social media account creation. Both agents, sorry, I can't help with that. Because it's like a personal right, security, privacy related. Like you can't, like any AI can't go and create a credentials for itself. So let me just go back to my Manus. Still in 106. Let's just see what is happening in the computer. Okay. So it went on search and pulling up the directories and websites. It would be best if I should have mentioned any locality or county or state instead of telling it to go random 50. Because if I mention any local things, because if I mention any local, to fetch the local, but it could have went into the directory and search for anything. Now you can see at the right side what the Manus is doing. Manus compare, I think it's just scanning the whole page, looking for the email data. So I think so the problem is why it takes a lot of time is because usually they don't have this contact information at the index page. So whenever this Manus go to the main domain, index page is not gonna get this email information or whatever information, but then you have to go to manually all the pages, like page, if they have services, I have to navigate all the things. Contact page, so it has to go to the contact page and it has to navigate and get the information and then iterate that. Finally we went to the task 2, which is gathering contact information, email addresses for the businesses. Alright, so what is o+a.com? Contact information. Okay. What is it doing? It's scrolling. It's a nice little computer over there where I can see what it's doing. So I think it has access to the cloud computer. I don't know how these guys, these developers did this thing. It takes a lot of resources. Their servers has to be, melting down. The amount of people, if it becomes public, the amount, no wonder why they have invitation codes. If they make it public, the amount of resources it's gonna, they're gonna go bankrupt, using all those things. Okay. But over the time, it's gonna, right now, you can think it's a lot expensive. Even with a Gemini, Google's VEO3, it's a $200 to generate 15 seconds of video. What the hell? But over the time, it's gonna, become really cheap. Analyze websites for SEO opportunities and personalization. It's taking a lot of time. I'm just gonna come back when it's done, guys. Alright guys, we have got this Manus AI still working on. It took me a lot of time and it went on giving me a research, which is a detailed report, internet businesses for SEO outreach. Okay, so list of with contact information. We have got this all the email addresses right here. You can see for contact. So these are all business email addresses where I can offer them SEO services. Okay, so they have got the location, need to find website, need to find 111 reviews, which means if any of this doesn't have website or email, like a brand oriented email, then I can pitch to them and help them create a SEO optimized website. And then here we can see, let's just make it full screen. It's still at a task 2. So it went on. So like you can see it right here. So it just told me, where is it? I have made a significant progress on your request for potential SEO clients in the interior design industry. So far, I have gathered verified contact information for 13 out of 50 businesses on the list, including direct email addresses, phone numbers, physical location, website URLs, notable characteristics about each businesses. I'm continuing to systematically research the remaining businesses. Okay, it went on. Still taking time. I think it's a still late process because automated, so you can't expecting anything. And then I'm continuing to systematically research the remaining businesses to gather the information. Once I have substantial portion of the list complete, and analyze the website for SEO optimized opportunities, create personalized cold outreach email strategies, business specific needs. Would you like me to focus on any particular aspect of the project as I continue gathering the remaining contact information? For example, I could prioritize a specific region for those certain characteristics that might make them more receptive to SEO services. Okay. So what I'm really interested in is the cold DM, which I'm really interested in. I just want to know. So as you can see, it took 27 minutes and up and running still. By the way, I just want to show you one of the interesting thing which this user has right here with the Manus AI. Built a new sales deck that I can actually use without needing to edit much in a minute. Okay. Problem. So this is like a presentation. I think we have got the new update from Manus AI, so let me just see. If I go to the Manus, and yep, May 29. Today we are introducing Manus Slides. So what it does is it creates stunning structured presentations instantly with a single prompt. Manus generates entire slide decks tailored to your needs, whether you're presenting in a boardroom, classroom, or online. Manus ensures your message lands won't edits. Just click on adjust once you are done. Export and share. I think it's not persuasive on copywriter, well, not very well copywriter, but it does the job. Okay, I mean you can literally have the edit option. You can edit that. So one of the users said, sorry to say, but the way Gamma. So this is popular presentation AI. Does it way awesome. This presentation doesn't just work. Expression. Yeah. Still a lot of things to work on, Manus. Oh my god, it's taking like an eternity. So thanks for watching this 1 hour tutorial on Manus AI. I know it took a lot of time, but you found this video helpful. So comment, like, and hit the subscribe button and watch this video on 7, and now you can watch this video on 7-hour full course on blogging and SEO keyword research.